Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import any of your logos to any of your videos on CapCut PC. So select a video, for instance this one, then select import and find the logo that you want to add, for instance this one, and just place it on top. Make sure your logo is a PNG file and just place it on the left side, on the right side, or wherever you want to place it. Just make it smaller. Maybe there's like a better logo for it, like this one, and like place it where you where you want. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!